Imagine a world where you could see everything. A transparent space where you are safe and protected from the elements, while having an unobstructed view of the wonder, majesty, and magnificence of everything happening around you. A world where innovation and creativity in architectural design are limited only by the boundaries of imagination.
Some of the most beautiful buildings in the world use glass in incredibly creative ways, and that draws people in. It really impacts the entire design and experience.
For centuries, architects and engineers have incorporated glass into their designs in an effort to create structures that excite our imaginations and allow us to experience the world around us in new and innovative ways. But the type of glass used in architectural design can't just be beautiful. It also has to be safe. And to be safe, it has to be strong. While tempered glass is stronger than regular glass, it can shatter when struck by objects or subjected to heavy loads and fall from the opening. And although PVB-based laminated glass is tougher than tempered glass, if subjected to impact or excessively heavy loads, it too may become unstable and poses a threat to the safety of others.
If you are designing a structure that uses overhead horizontal glass, it makes a lot of sense to use the strongest and safest material possible.
SentryGlas adds an advanced interlayer to the laminated glass that provides superior protection from breakage or collapse above and beyond any other type of glass ever created. It is 5 times stronger and up to 100 times stiffer than conventional PVB interlayers, making it ideal for overhead glass projects and designs.
It's stronger, it's lighter, and it's safer. And the amazing thing is that if you factor in the structural efficiency of that laminate using SentryGlas, you discover that at the end it's cheaper than using conventional laminated glass products.
Breathtaking elegance fused with uncompromising strength, durability, and safety.
When the mathematics works, the beauty appears. That's SentryGlas.
SentryGlas. Safety glass made safer.